to head off to the Excel Centre, so I've got to go from Thetford to Norwich, and then from Norwich I'm going to go to Stratford, and from there I get in the train to Custom House, which is where the Excel Centre is, and I'm going to the Youth Scientist Live event. Anyway, this is the first part of the journey, and we'll see how it goes from there. I'll have an update in Norwich. Right, as I said, I'm at Norwich station, and there you can see my good old little scooter just there, and I'm about to take him off on the trip on the train over there. Let's go a bit further along. It's quite a long train. Yeah, here looks pretty good. See if we can get in here, shall we? Just like that, we've got in. And we're going to close up and put him in there. See? So it folds up and packs under there quite easily. Quite handy, you know? Okay, I know it's an aeroplane, but if I wanted the train, I needed to pay for the postage. The mapping software is called pint. Anyway, I was on my way to Whitechapel. I had to change at Stratford to get onto the Elizabeth line. But I was out there, it was really busy. And here's me arriving at Whitechapel. So this is the Whitechapel, this is the Elizabeth line. Right, anyway, a quick tour of Whitechapel really. That line over there will take you back to Stratford, and we just do a big U-turn here. So, anyway, waiting for a train. Right, so there's a train coming, but of course it's hidden. Here it comes. Sorry.
Whitechapel.
You know where I'm going.
Next station is Canary Wharf.
Oh, I can drive it down.
This is an Elizabeth line.
Yeah, it's horrible.
I know.
Anyway, this is Custom House. That's the train I've arrived on, and it's raining. And I need to find a lift and get to the Excel Centre now, so let's go. As far as I know, I'm getting out in the right spot. And this should be where the Excel Centre is. And do I need my ticket?
That's okay.
Thank you. Anyway, here we are, sort of in Docklands, and just by the Excel Centre, going across the pouring rain and the bridge. And welcome to Excel. And here we are, the approach. Oh, anyway, there's the coffee shop. You can probably see it's London Docklands because you can see a lot of cranes around. It's all a bit damp. So anyway, do a U-turn, and there is the Excel Centre, and we are going in here. Hopefully it'll be warm and dry. And I've got my ticket in my hand, which is here, and hopefully they'll scan it. Thank you. And here we are. Gosh, this is the Excel Centre. No idea where we're going. It's a huge area, and it has lots of coffee. Oh Lord. We're going to a national wedding show. Good heavens, a national wedding show. I didn't know about that. One bit of the bride will be downstairs somewhere. Oh, heavens above. Burgers and dogs. New Scientist. Took a bit of looking, and there it is. So that's the New Scientist. So let's go and see if I can go in. I can get through there. Hopefully we can scan that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Right, here we are going to the New Scientist Lab. Maybe later, thank you. Right, everyone, here we are. It's noisy. And I'm going to start exploring. Might as well see them making a difference. going, so I say this is a mystery flavour. Right. Journey to infinity, that's my cup of tea. The dinosaur there. Moon rock, is it?
Yeah.
Greenland should fit into Africa 13 or 14 times.
Yes. They're quite expensive squibbles. Take it you can see the gals off. There were lots of speakers and seminars going on at this event, and they had 5 stages in all. They had the Our Planet stage, and they had the Future stage, and the little stage called the Engage stage, and the Mind and Body stage, and the Universe stage. And they had a lot of sort of speakers, some well known, some less well known. Dr. Ahmed Khan, who you've probably heard of, the GP and author and broadcaster. And I had my lunch on the Universe stage watching Anu Ojha. Ojha? I don't know if I pronounced his name right. He was the director of Champion in Space. And I thought his talk was brilliant. Anyway, that's the stages.
Keep your hand up for BNHs is doing well at the moment.
So, anyway, that was the New Scientist Live 2005. And here we are now in the main body of the Excel Centre. Let's carry on down here a bit. I think I might need to get on the ground floor at some point. It is colossal space. Must be half a mile long. Oh, don't know what that's all about. Connecting lives. Oh, look, a toilet on the ground floor. No, I think what we might do is keep whizzing down here for a bit, and then when we get to the exit or the entrance, we'll have another plan. Makes you go wobble wobble bump 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 at the moment. Wobble bump bump bump. Wobble wobble bump bump bump. So what we got? Heavens above. Hello sir, do you happen to know where the Premier Inn is in relation to the...
Premier Inn?
Yeah.
Premier Inn is just there.
The Docklands one?
Yeah, just that hotel there.
Is it raining, isn't it raining? I'll give it a go. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, alright, now we got a lift. Look at that, and that good stuff. Right, there we go to the button, and then presumably 10. Look at that, that's lovely, I love that. Straight down there and out. Look at that building, that was quite amazing. Somewhere down here should be a Premier Inn, somewhere down there, somewhere. There it is, I can see it now. We'll get to it. I can see the Premier Inn ahead of me, but I don't know how I get there. Here we go. Now, I want to get over there and up there. Anyway, we've sort of made it over the road. I think in future this might be the better route. Look at that Premier Inn. Whoa! automatic door there. Hello there. 7-2. I don't want to get wet when I go through. Anyway, thank you very much for your help.
Alright then, thank you. Mind the door. Doors closing. Doors
Right, I think. Right, anyway, we've done that. Bit of a tight door, but look. Ooh. There we go. 110, that's that way. There through we go. Ooh. Well, that way. Anyway. Looks alright. Stop recording.